Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I am Alice. Every week, we unfold one piece of English together, simply, clearly, and step by step.
Hi everyone, I'm Jake. And Alice, you look really relaxed today. Did you have a good weekend?
I really did. I went for a walk on Saturday morning, made breakfast at home, and just read a book all afternoon. Nothing big, but it was perfect.
That sounds so nice. Mine was a little different. I went to a baseball game on Sunday with a friend. The weather was great and the food was amazing.
Oh, wow, a baseball game. That sounds so fun. Well, Jake, I think we just gave everyone a great intro to today's topic. Today, we are learning how to talk about your weekend with a friend in simple, natural English.
Yes, because every Monday someone asks me this and I never know how to answer well in English.
After today, you will. But before we start, Jake, should we ask our listeners for a small favor?
Of course. Everyone, if English Unfolded is helping your English, please hit the like button right now.
Subscribe to English Unfolded so you never miss a new lesson. We're here every week just for you.
Share this with a friend who is learning English. Let's all grow together.
Let's unfold this English journey together. Okay, Monday morning, you see your friend. What is the first thing you ask?
What did you do this weekend?
Perfect. That is our first phrase. What did you do this weekend? You will hear this every Monday from friends, coworkers, anyone.
What did you do this weekend? Very simple, very natural.
Now, if you had a quiet weekend at home, you say, I just stayed home. The word just makes it sound relaxed, but not boring.
I just stayed home. Like, I was home, but it was comfortable and easy.
Exactly. And if it was a good weekend, you say, it was really nice, or it was really fun.
It was really nice, short and positive. I like that.
Good. Now, here is a very important habit. After you answer, always ask back, how about you?
How about you? Oh, this is so important. It keeps the conversation going.
Right. A conversation goes both ways. Answer, then ask back. That is what makes it feel real and natural.
Ask, answer, ask back. Got it.
And when your friend tells you something fun they did, you say, we should do that together sometime.
We should do that together sometime. Warm and friendly, it opens the door for future plans.
Exactly. Okay, let's do a quick role play. I am your friend, Monday morning. Ready?
Ready.
Jake, hey, what did you do this weekend?
It was really nice. I went to a baseball game on Sunday. How about you?
I just stayed home, but it was so relaxing. A baseball game sounds so fun, though.
Right? We should do that together sometime.
I would love that. Let's plan it.
That was fast, but it felt so real.
Because all the phrases fit together naturally. Shall we go over them one more time?
Yes.
What did you do this weekend to start the conversation?
I just stayed home when you had a quiet weekend.
It was really nice when it was a good weekend.
How about you? Always ask back. So important.
And we should do that together sometime when you want to share an experience with your friend.
5 phrases, all simple, all real. I feel ready for any Monday now.
That is one more door you just opened. Everyone at home, you did so well today.
We are so proud of you. Please leave a comment below. What did you do last weekend? Write it in English.
We love reading your answers, and if you enjoyed today's lesson, please like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
Share this with a friend who is learning English. Let's all grow together.
Take care, everyone.
Keep unfolding your voice. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.